In this video, we'll unbox and set up the X-MAKERJOY AI Plus printer and do our first print. First, open the box and take everything out. Inside, you'll find the X-MAKERJOY AI Plus printer, stickers to customize the look of your printer, a quick guide, a spool of filament, a magnetic base plate, a calibration card, a pneumatic fitting, a pin, a pair of pliers for cutting filament, and a spool holder. Now let's take a closer look at the printer. Open the door. The power adapter is tucked inside the foam. If there's a cable tie, remove the foam, cut the tie, and take it out. Now you can see the print head and the print bed. Pull out the bed and place the magnetic base plate on it. Make sure it's properly aligned and secured. The nozzle is replaceable. The camera is located on the right. At the bottom, there's an indicator light that shows the printer status. This is the door. Once the door is closed, the printer creates a sealed environment for quieter and closed printing. On the back, you'll find the feeder system, the filament detection sensor, and the holder placement. Below that are the printer ID, reset button, power switch, and socket. These are the ventilation holes. The 2 ports here are for debugging and not needed for regular use. On both sides and the top, you'll find slots for inserting decorations to personalize your printer. This is the filament tube. It moves within this space while printing. Scan the QR code to watch the unboxing video or to download the app. You can also search X-Maker in the App Store to download. It's also available for tablets and laptops on our website. Open the app, log in or register, and select the X-MAKERJOY AI Plus. The printer model must match the one selected here, or the connection will fail. Follow the on-screen instructions to get everything ready. Plug in the power cable and turn on printer. Press and hold the red button until you hear a beep. When the indicator light turns solid yellow, the printer is ready to connect. Enter your Wi-Fi password. It's best to use a 2.4 GHz network. The app will automatically search and connect to your printer. When the connection is successful, the light will turn solid blue. To begin printing, install the filament holder and place the spool. Press to remove the cover. Install the holder. Cut the filament at an angle and straighten it out. Place filament clockwise. Arrange it neatly if needed. Insert the filament tip into the detection sensor. Press the spring upward and feed it through the gears into the tube. Next, load the filament. Tap load to start. As the printer heats up, the indicator light will shift from blue to red, and the filament will begin to extrude. Once it's done, trim off any excess. If you don't want to print just yet, tap downloading and continue with setup. You can always load the filament later in the printer menu under Install Filament. Now choose a model and start your first print. The file will upload and the printer will begin. You can tap this icon to rename your printer and enable or disable the camera. When the printer is active, the indicator light will blink continuously. The X-MAKERJOY AI Plus has standard print speed of 300 mm per second, so your prints finish faster. Once printing is done, go to Record to see your past prints and view a time-lapse video of the process. You can save or share the video too. Remove your printer along with the base plate. Don't forget to place the base plate back afterward. If you are not using the X-Maker app for the first time, tap Add a printer, set up a new printer, and follow steps to set up a new one. Go to Design to explore an exciting new space for printing and creation. That's a full guide from unboxing to your first print. For more tutorials, go to Explore Guide to watch helpful videos. You can also find answers on the AOC Wiki or ask our AI assistant. Happy printing! See you next time.